than last week. I am really thankful for that. This week we'll spend we spend the entire hour looking at the year in review. I started I started this year with I think under 700 subs, right? 600 subs. Uh, and it was a ride. At one point in time, I said to myself, I could have done it by April, meaning that I could have gotten the 1,000 subs by April, but I realized that it got harder as time progressed. Right? Just my fish. Hi. Um, nice to see you. Appreciate you stopping by. I am trying to see if I can get this thing running on my laptop so I can see the comments as they come in. So bear with me a few seconds. Here it is. All right. So here it is. So the year started off with me challenging myself that I could have actually gotten I could have gotten at least 1,000 subs by, let's say, by April, but I realized that this was a little tough to do because I had a lot of responsibility at work, at home, and it was really a tough task, right? Okay, so I am here. So I did what I had to do, and by summer I think it was about July, I ended up with about 960 subs. By the end of July, I ended up with 1,000 subs, in which I was really appreciative. And now I'm at where I'm at, right? It has been an awesome ride. I've started several series, I've ended several series, I've started several, ended several projects, right? Going forward. Now, some persons have been looking at 2018 and what they're looking for 2019. Oh, by the way, the last internet service between Christmas morning about 8 o'clock until about Friday evening before I actually got it back. So my Instagram posts were not made, and I took a while, well, to my standards, I took a while to respond to several of the, sorry, I took a while to respond to several uh, of the comments in which were made on various videos. Alright, so I had this spot, well, I have this spot on, I have a series referred to on the spot, right? Where I speak about several different issues within the fish keeping hobby, right? Okay, so it was really getting really awesome because I spoke about different channels. I spoke about channels, the work in which persons have been putting in. I met with a lot of great persons. I can count several of them on my hands. Well, I can count several of them, right? I met. Hey, what's up, Purple Gang? What's up, brother? Nice to see you, brother. All right, I'm just talking about the year in review with regards to my channel and where I'm going at, and what I'm looking forward to do going forward in 2019. So I met some great channels. I've met Laughing Squid. He is not doing so well medically right now, so he's off the search for a bit. I've met Bears Fish, SC Fishing, something like that, right? uh ASAP Fishing. What's up? Nice to see you, brother. All right. Okay. Appreciate it. So I've met Matthew Moore. Although I've been watching this video before I've actually done it, right? Matthew Moore, Emoney from last year. Emoney is like, back in the days when I was like under 200, 300 subs, right? And I met Funk last year, and Rob last year. I met a lot of awesome persons in during this year. I met Sue, Q Aquatics. I met if I forget them, they're gonna be angry. I think I might just do a video that actually speak about that, right? Instead of getting myself in problems, right? Fishword Cichlids, so I must big up that guy. Is an awesome guy. He's from Europe. I think it's England, right? All right, cool. So going forward, after seeing all these, I met JH. I think last year, right? I met JH last year. And we spoke, we had a cordial relationship and all that. Boom. So I've been watching several other videos, doing comparative notes, as the person I'm very critical. Right? I've laid out the gauntlet with regards to um, things that I've seen within the fish keeping hobby uh, over the years, or should I say over the months, right? And you could say, well, to me, I'm okay still, but you could say that I got in a little trouble with several of several viewers with regards to a piece in which I did on JH, right? A lot of persons crucified me for that, um, but I don't regret it because I thought it was honestly done, right? I said things about DIY King, and I never really got the gauntlet like. And if you like, you like. If you don't like, you just don't like, right? Ultimate Fish Keep Show. Nice to see you, brother. All right, cool. In going forward, I did a few videos, and the response for it was like, I never anticipated that, and I've seen some live chats, and I've seen some videos where each persons have actually said suggestive. They have not called my name, but they have suggested that persons are doing videos calling people because they want views and subs. That's not in my forte. I do things because I do things, not because I want anything in reward, right? And you can see that. And I don't need persons name to be called on my channel for me to get views and subs. I think the quality of my video speaks, because I did a whole aqua farm. I'm gonna pause a little bit to say, so for those persons who don't know, myself and Fong will be in a competition. This competition should start between mid January to the end of January, right? Now, I have never kept these fish before. I don't think that Fong have kept these fish before. The goal of this objective, right, is for us to actually okay. Alright, cool. I'm just looking at the message board. Me know I am laugh. Worms Eye View, nice to see you. Yeah, this lady is a crazy lady, crazy nice lady from England. Does very crazy stuff. Right, you can check her out, right? That's Worms Eye View. Alright, so myself and Fong and I will be trying to see who can actually get a pair of beta fish to actually breed. Now, the first one to do that. Now, the winner, no, it will, no, yeah. Alright, I'm sorry about that, guys. So, if Funk wins, in which I don't think he's gonna be so successful as how he did regarding the ARNH2O. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. Please remember to check out each other's channel, and as best as possible, make a comment so that persons will know that you stopped by. Alright, cool. Alright, so the winner will have a gloating video on the other person's channel. For those persons who are new to my channel, who are new to Aquafunk, we have done several collabs together, and we have done a collab in which we actually discussed the whole idea of substrate versus no substrate, right? Um, he won that competition as a result of voting, in which was the public actually voted his argument. Now the public won't have a say in his argument this time, right? Because as you all know, Funk is this way he can persuade you, he can persuade you to buy a block of stone. You understand? With his talk. Why, it might take a little bit more convincing for me, right? So the winner voting opportunity. Both myself and Fong have done several collaborations. One of late wherein we talk about the whole idea of business and the fish keeping habit, right? And the first one in which we look at substrate versus non-substrate, right? And we look at the pros and the cons of that. Okay. Presently, I am looking forward to do uh, an argument with me with regards to uh, community aquarium versus species aquarium. So if you would like to hit me up, that's the first person who really thinks it. I would like to do a collab with me with regards to community aquarium versus its only aquarium. You can hit me up. I will leave my email in the description after the end of this stream. You can hit me up at my email, and we see how it goes there. I'm not fearful as to which end I'll take. So if you want to take, let's say, you want to be in favor of community tank, I'll give you that argument. If you yeah, snow will sell snow to Eskimos. Cool. You know that, right? So I just my fish. Yeah. Alright, so we all viewers to actually see each other and hear each other deliberate. Alright? So cool. So I have 1 hour, 60 minutes to do this video. Well, to do this. Alright. So as I was saying in regards to where the way forward, what way forward going, going forward into 2019. We're looking back. Hold on, I'm losing the message here. As to you guys talking about Bill. Alright, so in going forward, I have no aquatics. I just speak as to what I see, and there are several things that I've seen, but I take advice from friends in which I go from. I don't know what's happening. Okay, everybody's back. Everybody's back. Cool. Disappear. Right? I guess I don't know. But it's just messing up. Alright, so going forward, I met some awesome persons this year. Hmm? Oh man. Alright, guys.
Well, is he using a wide line